Yo, what's good, Good Eats 420 fam? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing and setup for the Clone King 36 site cloner. Now this video is not sponsored, I bought this myself. So if you're interested in getting the cloner, click the links that's in the description. It'll take you over to Amazon where you can get it right there. So as we unbox the cloner, the first thing that we see is a thank you note from the company itself. As we open the package further, we see the top of the cloner. Attached to that is the sprayer underneath. Right here you see the bottom of the cloner. And finally we have the neoprene inserts that hold your clones in the cloner itself. I do think it's worth mentioning that they give you 5 additional nozzles for your mister or sprayer just in case they become clogged up. They also give you some rooting hormones with directions and a little scoop if you don't have your own. This final part that we're unboxing is the air pump. It has suction cups that's going to connect to the bottom of the cloner. The air pump is what's going to push the water through the nozzles in the sprayer and make sure that our clones actually take root. Now that everything is unboxed, the first thing that you have to do is to cut the sprayer from the bottom of the top. Notice that the top has a handle on it. That's going to make it very easy to pull up the top with clones on it. Once you do that, we're going to connect that to the air pump itself. It's pretty easy. Check it out. You just slide it on. Now that we have that connected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to the kitchen and I'm going to clean it with dish soap just to make sure that if there's any dust or anything inside of here, we'll go ahead and get rid of it, because when you're doing clones, the #1 rule is everything needs to be clean and sterile. Now that we have our cloner cleaned, we need to put water in it so we can test it. Whenever you're putting water inside your Clone King, you never want to put water above the nozzles. You want to fill up the cloner till the water is right under the sprayer. Now what we need to do is put on the top and plug it in so we can test it. I want you guys to check out the edges of the top. If you look, you can see that one of the corners is not there. The reason that is there is so whenever you put your top down, there's a place that the cord can come through from the air pump. So we got everything put together. Let's plug it in and turn it on and see if it works. So as you guys can see, the cloner is working great. That's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to like the video if you found value in it. Subscribe to the channel because the next Clone King video that we're going to do, we're actually going to use the Clone King for the first time and clone some plants. Thank you guys for spending some time with me today. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.